Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Install EasyCast, sign in, and let it access your local network. Once done, make sure both source and receiver share the same Wi-Fi or wired LAN so discovery works. Open EasyCast and grant any permissions it requests. This avoids blocked streams. Next, choose the device you'll cast from and the target device in the app. This immediate setup gets you into the casting workflow quickly and prevents common connection stalls. You now configure the session. Pick screen, app window, or media file because the type determines encoder settings. Adjust resolution and bitrate to balance quality and network capacity. Higher bitrate improves image but needs more bandwidth. Choose the audio source and enable echo cancellation if required. Use preview mode to confirm sync and latency so you won't be surprised mid-presentation. If you must, lower resolution or enable hardware acceleration. You finish by starting the cast and watching quality indicators for dropped frames or high latency. If the session must end, stop casting gracefully from the app to free resources and close encoders. If the connection drops, use the reconnect button. The app preserves recent device pairings to speed recovery. One key troubleshooting tip. If instability persists, restart your router or switch to a wired connection to remove wireless interference, and then relaunch EasyCast to re-establish a clean session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.